Hello guys, this is the directions video for Wednesday. Pretty simple day today. Papers were due yesterday. Don't know when I'll get to grade those. Hopefully by the end of MEA break I'll have those all squared away for you guys. Yesterday you guys looked at the 5 themes of geography notes right here. But today what we're gonna do is we're going to go through the 5 themes of geography reading guide. So again, just read through, guys. Click on it. Just read through it, and then at the end, answer these questions on a Google Doc, and then just turn them in. So do one. Again, this one's easy. Just terms. Number 2, just go through it. Answer these 2 questions that go with it. Answer 3A, B, and C. And then, how is the study of geography different from the study of history? Think about it. So again, this is just a short-term answer, yeah, short answer. Sorry. So just should be like maybe like a paragraph. Anywhere between like 3 to 8 sentences should work for this one, as long as you answer correctly. But that's pretty much the directions for Wednesday. Thursday, it's pretty simple. You're just going to do another reading guide. But obviously check in for attendance. So like right now, make sure you comment on this material post saying, I'm here so I can keep attendance. And that counts for everybody, even if you're in class right now. I'm not in class right now, as you know. So still go on here and make sure you say that you're here so I can take attendance at the end of the day and you don't get marked absent. So do that today and also do that tomorrow. But I'll remind you guys again tomorrow with the Thursday directions. So for today, just go through the 5 themes of geography reading guide, answer the questions at the end. If you need to still get your paper in, you can still get 70% on your paper. Again, you have to turn that in if you want to move on. So keep that in mind. But that's all I got. Have a good day, everybody. Talk to you later.